and gentlemen, it's Michael Parker again, Parker Auctions, NCAL 2714.
And this is Matthew Parker, also at Parker Auctions, NCAL 9883.
And we're glad to be here with you, giving you a preview of the auction sale for February the 3rd. I want to stop here and show you a couple of pieces of furniture that I thought are really nice that you'll like. Now folks, if you can hear that car, you can tell that this building is big enough for cars to drive through. That's because it's going to be turned into an artisan and crafters mall. In fact, we're going to have trucks parked in here running up and down, running 2 rings on February 3rd. This is a big space. If you want a space to sell your goods, you need to talk to them. They'll be taking sign-ups on that day. Take a look right here. We got a nice desk and chair. We've also got this right here. This is a dresser and the matching mirror on the back. And one thing that I really like over here, folks, you don't see this very much. It's a beautiful piece. The glass I don't think was made for it, but we kept it with it because it was just protecting the top. But look at this round top table right here, and the chairs that that are over here, they'll be sold separate. But this is a beautiful piece. If you need this in your home, this is the place to go. Now, one other thing too, we got maybe 2 acres of office furniture here, and down here at the end, take a look. Can you zoom down there? Do you see all those filing cabinets? These are old style filing cabinets that are made out of heavy metal. Those are nice. If you need filing cabinets, or if you're in the scrap metal business and you need stuff to make them $1 on, that's the place to be, right down there in that corner. And I want you to just pan down this wall and take a look at the items that are set over there. We got a glass display case here, and we got some more metal shelving. And over here, we've got some things you can use at home improvement. Take a look at it over here. We've got this shelf, or it could be used as a bar. We've got these other pieces, glass pieces, lumber, wood, home improvement stuff. Folks, if you need it, we probably have it out here at the Gulistan Carpet Factory. Matt, tell us where we're at and how to get here.
Folks, we're at 3140 North Carolina Highway 5. We're about a mile off US 1 going from Aberdeen towards Pinehurst. We're on the left-hand side of the road, so we're pretty centrally located. That's where the auction's going to be, folks, right here at the Gulistan Carpet Plant. We are doing, like as Michael said, we're doing a artisan and crafters mall that will be started here in this 100,000 square foot section of this factory. We hope you can come out on Saturday, February 3rd at 10 o'clock in the morning to come to, see this auction with us.
Look for the signs. You'll see them. We'll have them on the road. We'll see you Saturday morning.
Remember to come visit us at www.parkerauctions, that's auctions with an S.com. Also come check us out at auctionzip.com. Our auctioneer ID number is 46846. You can check out all the items that we will be selling at this sale right there.